Hi dear friends, welcome to Indonesian and English learning channel. Today our news is about Facebook account. Fake Facebook accounts. Facebook removed 3 networks of accounts that were trying to manipulate users with misinformation. These networks were not related to each other, and they were based in Russia, Iran, Vietnam, and Myanmar. In total, Facebook removed 97 accounts, 21 pages, and 29 groups. Facebook said that Russian campaign was the largest, and it mostly targeted Ukraine. Individuals who posed as local posted content about local and political news. However, Facebook's investigations found links to Russian military intelligence services. The Iranian campaign was much smaller. It targeted the US, and it used similar ideas. Campaigns in Myanmar and Vietnam involved creating fake consumer groups, and they criticized telecom providers and PR companies. Thank you very much for watching. For our support, please subscribe our channel. See you in our next lesson. Happy study. Bye.